In this part, we will have a look to some advanced components. First, we will use the BeanEditForm, which allows us to write a form very easily. Then the grid component, which will display a list of data, like the loop component, but with more powerful functionalities. In the last part, we will use the BeanEdModel. With this object, we will be able to customize the grid and the BeanEditForm. The BeanEditForm component will generate a form from one of your Java beans. It will give to you some very interesting functionalities. It will automatically create an instance of your Java bean. All the labels of the form will automatically be generated by Tapestry, thanks to the attribute of our Java bean. We will be able to manage non-editable attributes by using annotations, and a validation mechanism is available. And you will be able to customize the components by using its reordering attributes or CSS classes. The BeanEditForm is based on two components for analysis of your Java bean, the bean editor and property editor. For generating the form, Tapestry will use the type of each attributes to identify the best input to use. For example, for a string attributes, Tapestry will associate it to a text field input, a Boolean attribute to a checkbox input. This list can be extensible. We will see it later. We will be able to support our own type. If the type of your attribute is not supported, Tapestry will not be generating any rendering for this attribute. We just have one mandatory parameter, object. This parameter refers to the Java bean you want to create. Tapestry will looking for a getter to this attribute in the associated Java class. Two other parameters, client validation and submit label. Client validation specifies if Tapestry has to check the validity of your data by using JavaScript. You will be able to change the label of the generated submit button with the submit label parameter. Tapestry proposes to use some annotations which are useful for adapting the generated model. The add no visual annotation will deactivate the rendering of this attribute in your form. The add validate annotation makes it possible to add some validation to your bean attributes. Tapestry has already some validation functions required. Your field does not have to be empty. Min or max for checking a value. Regex for checking the structure of a string by using a regular expression. But we will be able to add our own validator. We will see it in the last part of this training.